foot and ankle, a small area of the body which has 28 bones. So if we talk about two ankle and feet region, we have 56 bones in that particular area. 56 bones and a lot of joints, ligaments, tendons, muscles, and nerves. There is a complex interplay of biomechanics and anatomy, which is important in pathophysiology of a lot of diseases in this region, a region which comprises of 25% of the total bones in the human body. Yet, this is the most neglected areas in the field of orthopedics as long as clinical practice is concerned, and similarly when we talk about teaching and education as well. So hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anuj Chawla. I'm a consultant orthopedic and foot and ankle surgeon, and I will be coming with a foot and ankle course on 19th and 20th of March at Conceptual Orthopedics. So why is this course different from any other course that you have attended or you have heard about? Well, this is a course which does not talk about the trauma in the foot and ankle region. We are not going to talk about ankle fractures, calcaneum fractures, talus fractures, or Listerian fracture dislocation. But we are going to talk about the really neglected areas. We're going to talk about how to perform a foot and ankle examination. What is the importance of biomechanics and what is foot and ankle biomechanics? How do you assess and what is the treatment of common problems like flat foot and ankle sprain? So we're going to talk about Achilles tendon disorders. We're going to talk about plantar fasciitis. We're going to talk about diabetic foot and Charcot's arthropathy. And we have faculty coming from UK and Singapore as well. So do attend this course because this course is primarily for budding orthopedic surgeons, for postgraduate residents and DNB residents. The course is only talking about elective foot and ankle conditions. So see you on 19th and 20th of March at Conceptual Orthopedics. Thank you very much.